Sa statement ni General Parladi, ako po nagulat din kung bakit nadawit yung pangalan ko doon. Ang sabi ko, pagkatapos po na mapanood, mapakinggan ko yung kanyang interview, ay tinawagan ko siya kung bakit sinasali niya ako sa kanyang political ambition. Nagpalabas na po ako ng press release. Ito po yung press release ko tungkol doon at kung po, payagan po niya ako. Basahin ko po, Mr. President. Basahin ko po ito.
Go ahead.
Statement of the Secretary of National Defense on General Parladi. General Parladi's statement is baseless. In the years I have known the President, he has always been his own man. The President stands by his own decisions, has always been firm in his directives to us working for him, and is not as easily swayed or influenced by others as purported by the General. As then Special Assistant to the President and now Senator, Bongo has assisted the DND in ensuring the doubling of the salaries of the uniformed personnel as directed by the President. He has also been consistent in strongly supporting DND in all its programs and modernization efforts. In all these endeavors, Senator Bongo's support to the DND and AFP has not abated. He has always been our main bridge to the President, and I have not known any instance when Senator Bongo acted outside the wishes and decisions of the President. In addition, the Armed Forces of the Philippines remains a professional organization that continues to work in the interest of the Filipino people, regardless of the prevailing political landscape. There is no truth to the allegations that there is a brewing trouble or discontent in the armed forces. Ito po ang press release ko ngayon, Mr. President.